Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Olivia, and today we are going to talk about ordering food and asking questions at a cafe.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
So, Olivia, do you like going to cafes?
Yes, I love cafes. I go to a cafe almost every morning.
Oh, really? That sounds nice. What do you usually order?
I usually order a coffee and a small snack, maybe a muffin or a sandwich.
That sounds delicious. I also love cafes. I think they are very relaxing.
Yes, I agree. They are very comfortable and quiet. Good for studying, too.
Absolutely. And today we want to help our listeners learn how to speak English at a cafe. Is that right, Olivia?
Yes, this is very useful for beginners. Many people go to cafes, but they feel nervous to speak in English.
That is very true. But don't worry. Today we will make it easy for you.
Yes, we will go step by step. It is not difficult. Just follow along with us.
So, Olivia, let's imagine we are walking into a cafe right now. What is the first thing we do?
Well, first we walk in and we look at the menu. The menu is the list of food and drinks they have.
Good. And the menu can be on the wall, on a board, or on a piece of paper on the table.
Yes, that is right. Sometimes the cafe worker comes to you. They are called the waiter or the server.
Great. And sometimes you go to the counter to order. It depends on the cafe.
Exactly. In many coffee shops, you order at the counter, like in Starbucks, for example.
Yes, good example. So what do we say when we are ready to order?
A very simple thing to say is, "Can I have a coffee, please?" This is very polite and very easy.
Yes, can I have a coffee, please, is perfect. You can also say, I would like a coffee, please.
Both are correct and both are polite. I think beginners sometimes say, "I want a coffee." This is okay, but it is a little direct.
Yes, I want is not wrong. But can I have or I would like sounds more friendly and natural.
That is a great tip. Small words make a big difference in English.
Absolutely. Now, what about asking for the menu? What do we say?
You can say, "Can I see the menu, please?" Or, "Do you have a menu?" Both are simple and clear.
That sounds easy. And what if we don't understand something on the menu?
Great question. You can say, "What is this?" Or, "Can you explain this, please?" People are very happy to help.
Yes, cafe workers are usually very friendly. Don't be scared to ask questions.
That is true. And you can also point to the menu and say, "What is this one?" That works perfectly too.
Oh, I like that tip. Very practical.
Yes, sometimes pointing and speaking together is very helpful for beginners.
Now, let's talk about types of coffee. Because in a cafe, there are many choices, and sometimes they have Italian names.
Yes, this can be confusing. Let me explain the most common ones.
Please, go ahead.
An espresso is a small, strong black coffee. A latte is coffee with a lot of milk. It is smooth and creamy.
And a cappuccino?
A cappuccino has coffee, hot milk, and a thick foam on top. It is very popular. And an Americano is just black coffee with hot water. Simple.
That is very useful. And what about size? How do we ask for a small or large coffee?
You can say, "Can I have a large latte, please?" Or, "Can I have a small coffee, please?" Just add the size before the drink name.
That is a very easy pattern. Can I have a large cappuccino, please?
Yes, exactly like that. Good job.
Thank you. Now, what about food? What can we order to eat at a cafe?
Most cafes have sandwiches, salads, soups, cakes, muffins, and cookies. Simple and delicious food.
And how do we order food? What do we say?
The same pattern works. "Can I have a cheese sandwich, please?" Or, "I would like a chocolate muffin, please."
Perfect. And what if we want to ask if they have something specific, like maybe a vegan option?
You can ask, "Do you have any vegan options?" Or, is there anything without meat? Simple questions like these work very well.
Seriously, what about allergies? This is important for some people.
Yes, very important. You can say, I am allergic to nuts. Does this have nuts in it? The cafe worker will always help you.
Great. Now let's talk about paying. This is always an important moment.
Yes, when you are ready to pay, you can say, can I have the bill, please? Or, can I pay now, please?
And in some countries, people say check instead of bill. Both mean the same thing.
Yes, in America, people often say, can I have the check, please? In the UK, people say, can I have the bill, please?
Good to know. And how do we ask if we can pay by card?
Easy. You say, can I pay by card? Or do you accept card payments? Most places today accept cards.
Yes, and if you want to pay with cash, just say, can I pay with cash? Very simple.
Let's also talk about asking for things during your visit. For example, if you need more water.
Yes, you can say, excuse me, can I have some water, please? The words excuse me are very useful to get someone's attention politely.
Excuse me is one of the most important phrases in English. Use it when you want to speak to someone you don't know.
That is a great tip. And what about if your order is wrong? Maybe they bring you the wrong drink?
This happens sometimes. You can say politely, excuse me, I think there is a mistake. I ordered a latte, not an espresso.
And always say it with a smile. People make mistakes sometimes. It is okay.
Yes, be polite and friendly. The words, I think, make you sound very natural and not rude.
Now, Olivia, let's also talk about saying thank you and being polite at a cafe.
Seriously. Of course. In English, please and thank you are very important. Always say please when you ask for something.
And when someone gives you your order, you say thank you or thanks. Both are fine.
Thanks is a little more casual, but still very polite. You can also say thank you very much if you want to be extra kind.
And if the cafe worker asks, how are you today? What do we say?
A simple and natural answer is, I'm good, thanks. How about you? This is very friendly.
Yes, many of our listeners might know I am fine, thank you, but I'm good, thanks. Sounds more natural in everyday conversation.
That is true. I'm fine is correct, but native speakers more often say, I'm good, or I'm great, or not bad, thanks.
Great vocabulary lesson right there. Let's practice ordering one more time with a short example.
Good idea. Let me be the customer and you be the cafe worker.
Okay, welcome to the cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hello, can I have a large latte, please? And can I also see what sandwiches you have?
Of course, we have cheese, chicken, and tuna sandwiches today.
I would like a chicken sandwich, please. And, excuse me, does it have any nuts in it? I am allergic to nuts.
No, it doesn't. No nuts at all. Is there anything else I can get for you?
No, that is everything. Thank you.
Wonderful. That will be £6.50, please.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. The card machine is right here.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your food.
And that is a real cafe conversation. Did you see how easy it was?
Yes, all the sentences were short and simple. You don't need perfect English. You just need the right phrases.
Exactly. And the more you practice, the more comfortable you will feel.
Let's also talk about some other useful phrases at a cafe. Olivia, what else do you think is important?
I think it is useful to know how to ask where the bathroom is. You can say, excuse me, where is the bathroom, please? Or where are the toilets?
Yes, that is very practical. In England, people often say toilet. In America, people say restroom or bathroom.
Good to know the difference.
Another useful thing is to ask about Wi-Fi. Many cafes have free Wi-Fi.
Oh, yes. You can say, do you have Wi-Fi? And then, what is the Wi-Fi password, please?
These are very common questions. People ask this all the time in cafes.
Now, let's quickly review the key phrases from today.
Great idea. Number 1, can I have a coffee, please? To order a drink.
Number 2, I would like a sandwich, please. Another way to order food.
Number 3. Excuse me, can I see the menu? To ask for the menu politely.
Number 4. Can I pay by card? To ask about payment.
Number 5. Do you have Wi-Fi? A very useful everyday question.
And number 6. I think there is a mistake for when something is wrong with your order.
These 6 phrases will help you so much in any cafe. They are simple and very natural.
And here is a little challenge for you. This week, go to a cafe and try to order only in English. Use the phrases from today.
Yes, a little challenge is a great way to practice. Even if you make a small mistake, it is okay. Practice makes perfect.
That is right. Every mistake is a lesson. Don't be afraid to speak.
And if you found this podcast useful today, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us.
Yes, and we make new episodes every week, so subscribe and you will not miss any of them. If you are enjoying this podcast, please like and subscribe. It helps us make more free English lessons for you.
Also, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite thing to order at a cafe? Coffee? Tea? Juice?
I want to know too. Write it in the comments.
Well, today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today. I feel like I am ready for a coffee right now.
Me too. Let's go to a cafe after this.
Great idea. But first, I want to say thank you to all of our listeners. You are amazing.
Yes, thank you everyone for listening. We are so happy you are learning English with us.
Keep practicing every day. Even 5 minutes of English every day is very helpful.
That is very good advice. Little by little, you will improve. We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.